Head out, shoot the videos. Head out, shoot the videos. We got a 2021 24 MPR Grand Design Imagine XLS. This baby just landed here at Advantage One RV. I'm Chase Haylett. This bad boy's coming in at just shy of 5,300 pounds, half-ton towable. You know, by the time you put a couple of toys and stuff in there, this baby's right in the sweet spot. Let's go take a look. We'll go ahead and move our way into the inside here. And right here, this thing with this kitchen, the way they have this laid out, so very well thought out. You do have tons of storage in this. Tons of storage where you can put tons of things in this and bring tons of things with you. So we'll go ahead and open those up. You want more storage? We got more storage. This Grand Design 24 Murphy bed offers all kinds of storage. Storage. Holy cow, this thing's got a ton of storage in it. I love it. And when you have this Murphy bed laid down into position... Okay, this is the first time doing this. I've never been in one of these trailers. I've never messed with one of Grand Design's Murphy bed layouts. But I just wanted to just, on a whim, see how easy it is to do without even trying, testing anything out first. So here we go. Let's do it together. If I had to guess, this has to flip down somehow. Oh, there we go. We got movement. Boom. That was easy. Love that. This has to flip down somehow. There's easy. Nice and light. Boom. Bed's made. Well, we got to put a couple sheets on and whatnot, but overall, that was easy. You got a nice viewing angle for your bed or your couch to the entertainment center directly across. But with the Murphy bed up in the upright position, you get tons of floor space in this trailer. You know, for being a smaller trailer, toy hauler, this thing has tons of room in it. I mean, I'm just so impressed with the layout of this trailer, with the storage of this trailer. It's just very well thought out. We'll go ahead and check out the bathroom. You got a big, huge stand-up shower with a skylight in the top, give you a little bit extra headroom. You got a nice vanity, tons of storage for, you know, a smaller bathroom. You know, you got a lot of space in this thing. Lots of storage. You got good elbow room with that toilet. It's porcelain toilet. Definitely a porcelain toilet. So very well thought out. Okay, now that we've checked out everything in the front, let's go back here to where the toys are. Where the toys are stored. And where you can store the kids. Cool thing is, let me back up a little bit. Sliding glass window. Sliding glass door. It's a door. Sliding glass door, which is a vapor barrier. So when you have your toys back here and you're flying down the road and you know, you get to where you're going, you got fumes back here because you had ATVs, motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever you have, and you know, so you get some of those gas fumes. Well, you don't have that with that vapor barrier door right there. You got a little sink out here to wash your hands after you get done playing, all that good stuff. A little bit of storage on the right hand side there, along with the vanity that opens up. But the cool thing that they did is a bunk bed here. Let's go ahead and open it up, see how easy this thing is. Let's give it a try. From what I see here, got a couple of straps. Look like they need to be undone. Don't know if I'm doing it in proper order, but I just want to show you guys how easy this stuff is to do. I have no clue, but I've been told it's easy to do. Looks like we have to flip these things up. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm wondering if maybe I should have done this last. Yep, I think I should. I can get the bottom one out first. Alright, let's see here. That flips up. That flips down. Oh, cool. Okay. Let's see. There we go. double mattress right there. Oh, I see. That actually flips out into a bigger bed. If I remember right. That, yeah. Or I guess not remember right, but if I can see right, how does that come up? I know it's hinged, or am I just not? Let's see here. Nope. Alright, I'm stuck. I know this has to come out somehow. Oh, found it. There it is. Got it, guys. No problem. So, that wasn't too bad. That's all on gas strut, so it's not gonna slam that hard on you. You got a nice big full, probably a queen size. That's a good size. You go back over here, flip this lever. That really wasn't too hard at all. And I'm telling you, once you do this a time or two, it'll only get faster and easier. That goes down, easy peasy. This goes up. A ladder right here. Kinda cool. Just gonna catch. It's easy. Easy peasy. Down there. Ladder get on the top bunk. Boom. Yeah, Bunks in the rear now. Easy peasy. Sweet. Let's go ahead and put it away. Flips up. Flips up. Flips over. Clicks in. Flip your levers down. Boom. Boom. And away you go. I was thinking maybe this might just go. There we go. Now I know how it works. Flip the lever back. Boom. And hook your straps back up. Not too bad. Definitely. I'm impressed with how easy that goes together. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. Boom. There you have it. So as you can see, that was pretty easy to put down and to put back up. Very well thought out. Once again, grand design. You did it well. Another cool thing, you got an exit door out back here. That way, you still have the flexibility of the bunk beds on the other side, but you have a nice big door to be able to get in and out to get to your toys, strap anything down, anything you might have forgot back here, or, anything you need to add. So, very well, like I said, just very well thought out. You have 3, 6, 9, 10 tie downs on the floor. So, you could easily put 2 motorcycles in this garage. Go ahead and get the measuring tape out. We'll measure this garage. I'll go ahead and bust out this tape measure here. Let's see what we have. Try to not make this so shaky. Let's see here. All the way back. So we're going to actually take 2 measurements because as you can see that sink kind of sticks out a little bit. So we're going to take a measurement from right here all the way to the door. all the way to the back of the ramp. Okay? Right there, we're at just shy of 10 feet. You're about 10 feet, 11 inches. Or, sorry, 9 feet, 11 inches. Just shy of 10 feet. Okay? And now, if I had to guess, we're probably about a foot short of that from where we are right there at the sink. Okay? Go all the way back. Yep. About a foot difference. So we're about 8 foot, 11 inches to the sink. So there you have it. I always like putting a tape measure of things. That way everybody knows exactly the length of what we can put in here. And bounce back out here to the outside. You can see they added a couple of little PVC pipes. You can put your, rhino hose or something in there. Get it out of the way. You got some nice storage underneath here. Should have already had that opened up, sorry. Nice pass-through storage all the way to the other side in there. As you can see, got a couple extra hoses and whatnot, a couple pads that come along with this one. You do have 4-point stabilizer jacks, manual stabilizer jacks at each point. It does have enclosed heated underbelly. This does have like an off-road package on it. So you get the off-road tires with this as well. So just kind of walking our way around here to the outside. You do have, that's your black tank flush. That's a nice thing to have. Black tank flush. Everything is over on the other side as far as where your hoses and everything else go. You got a nice ladder on the side of this. That way you can get up there and check this roof. Even on a toy hauler model, you got a place to get up that ladder and check out the seals on your roof. Let's go ahead and pop that back tailgate down. So you got a nice spring assist ramp there. You can put that thing down pretty much your pinky. And like I showed you already, the measurements of that garage easily fit a couple of motorcycles, four-wheeler in there. With that 10-foot garage in there. Well, nearly 10 foot. Rear entry, that's always nice to be able to get in there at that, last minute stop. Having to make sure that you have everything in there. You got a nice little stationer there to, put another rhino hose in there. I don't know how many rhino hoses you need to take with you, but you got plenty of spots for rhino hoses in this bad boy. Underneath the slide outs, everything looks nice and solid. I've already went this cool little blue light under there. That'll give you some nice little ground effects in the nighttime when you're sitting at your camp spot. That's cool. But you can see both of your sewer hose hookups are right there for your black and gray tanks, along with the valve handles there for easy convenience of how you want to empty those tanks. So obviously fiberglass exterior, that is something that's always nice to have. A lot easier to get that stuff clean when it comes time to clean things up. So don't get very many of these grand designs in here at Advantage One RV, but we sure do love when we do. They're such a cool trailer. I love going through their floor plans. A lot of different cool exciting floor plans. This is something that I haven't seen before. I love how their Murphy bed works. I love how that rear bunk bed system works. Easy functionality, and I think Grand Design did a very good job on this one. Get up here on the roof and check out some of the seals. Everything up here looks good. Maybe a little bit of a scrubbing, but other than that, all the seals look really good. There's a couple of touch-up spots. Shows me that they've been maintaining this roof. Being a 21, it's already had maybe a season or two of use on it. So you can tell they take really good care of their stuff. And where I noticed that was at the rear. There's no soft spots up here or anything. At the rear, you can see they've added some more self-leveling lap sealant there to just to be protective of what they get and to make sure it's going to last a long time. But everything on the slide out looks good. Everything up here is A-OK. A1 OK. So if you like what you see, give us a call. Advantage One RV, 517-924-1850. Or check us out online at advantageonerv.com, and you can see this 24 MPR right here. And you can see what the pricing and availability is. Give us a call. Thanks, and take care. Have an A1 day, everybody.